Hello children, welcome to session 1 of chapter 11 Computer Virus. Now today we are going to cover the topics meaning of computer virus, types of viruses, sources of viruses and symptoms of virus effect. Now let's see what do you understand by computer virus. You people must have heard so many times that the computer has stopped working, it's not working properly and it has been affected by the virus. So what does this virus is? Computer viruses are small software programs that are designed to spread from one computer to another and to interfere with computer operation. Basically, we can say it's a program that is created intentionally to corrupt or delete data stored in a computer by erasing information available on the hard disk. It travels to the hard disk and system files and corrupts them, and then the system stops working properly. Then viruses can be masked as attachments of funny images, greeting cards or audio and video files also. That means it simply erases everything whichever is present on your hard disk. Now we come on to see how many types of computer viruses are there. There are so many types of computer viruses available, like boot infectors, email viruses, Trojan horses, worm, polymorphic viruses. Now we are going to see each and every virus in details. Now the first type of computer virus is polymorphic virus. Basically it's a type of virus which simply alters the characteristics when they infect a computer. These viruses are very difficult to detect by scanning because each copy of the virus takes various characters and creates the other copies very fast. The next type of virus is stealth viruses, then we have the fast and slow infectors, then we have the armored viruses, then we have the multipartite viruses. Like a multipartite virus infects computer systems multiple times. It can affect the system so many times and at different times. In order to eradicate the virus, the entire virus must be removed from the system. Then we have cavity space filter viruses, tunneling viruses, camouflage viruses, metamorphic viruses, like the viruses which rewrite themselves completely each time, means it will keeps on coming every time and infects the computer, are called metamorphic viruses. Then we have the virus droppers. These viruses represent a special category of programs that place viruses on computers but are not by themselves an actual virus. Then we can have the tunneling viruses also. A tunneling virus is a virus that attempts to intercept antivirus program before it can detect malicious code. So these are the few viruses which can affect your computer in different ways, and there are so many viruses also which simply affects your computer and your computer stops working. Now we come on to the next topic, that is sources of virus. Sources of viruses means from which sources, from where the viruses infects your computer and from where they simply attacks your computer. There is so many sources of computer viruses available, like the downloadable programs, cracked softwares, email attachments, internet, booting from CD. Means if you are using any downloadable programs, you have downloaded any of the apps or the programs, through that also the virus can come to your system. Then any softwares, through the software also the virus can attack the system. Downloadable programs are also responsible for the attack of viruses. One of the possible sources of virus attack is downloadable programs from the web or the internet. Unreliable sources and internet news groups are one of the main sources of computer virus attack. Then from the computer network also virus can come. Like if the computers are in network, then it can, from one computer to another, it can travel. Next we come on to how will I know my computer got affected by virus? That means what are the symptoms of virus attack? The symptoms of virus attack are: computer runs slower than usual, computer no longer boots up, screen sometimes starts flickering, PC speaker beeps periodically, system crashes for no reason, files and directories sometimes disappear, you won't be able to see them, it will be lost. Then we have the programs take longer to load than normal. That means it will take a very long time for any of the programs to open. Computer hard drive constantly runs out of free space. That means whenever you want to install any new program, it will always show you that it's out of free space. The hard drive runs when you are not using it. New files keeps appearing on the system and you don't know where it comes from. Any new file will be coming and you won't be able to know. Then strange graphics are displayed on your computer monitor. Program sizes keeps changing. So these are few of the symptoms which you can see when the virus is there. So this much is for today's session, students. In the next session we are going to cover up with the another topics. Thank you, children. Now we are going to see the assignment questions for this particular session. The assignment is